Imagine spending 4,000 euros, not on a car, not on a vacation, but on a gaming PC. Sounds crazy, right? But here's the thing. In today's GPU market, it might actually be the smartest move you could make. Because at IFA 2025, Acer just unveiled two gaming monsters, the Predator Orion 7000 and the Orion 5000. And while both look like overkill on paper, there's one surprising reason why buying one of these pre-builts could actually save you more frustration than building your own. Let's start with the flagship, the Predator Orion 7000. Inside, you'll find Intel's brand new Core Ultra 9 285K, paired with Nvidia's RTX 5090. Yes, the absolute top dog right now. You can stack up to 128 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM plus 6 terabytes of blisteringly fast SSD storage, with an optional 4 terabyte hard drive if you're the type who hoards Steam libraries. Acer hasn't skimped on cooling either. There's a 360mm liquid cooler, a custom Predator Cyclone X fan, and a 1200-watt PSU, enough to handle overclocking and still leave room for upgrades. Connectivity, you get Thunderbolt 4, Wi-Fi 7, 2.5G Ethernet, and more USB ports than you'll probably ever use. Now, if the Orion 7000 feels like too much, the Orion 5000 trims things down, but not by much. It swaps in an Intel Core Ultra 7 265F and an RTX 5080, with storage dropping to 2 terabytes of SSDs plus that same optional hard drive. The power supply steps down to 850 watts, but otherwise, the I/O and networking stay identical to its bigger brother. Both systems are unapologetically premium, with the Orion 7000 starting at 3,999 euros and the Orion 5000 at 2,999 euros. Availability kicks off in Q1 of 2026. So here's the part that might surprise you. With the volatility of GPU prices, scalpers, and limited stock, grabbing a pre-built like these could actually make more financial sense than chasing parts individually. Acer is betting that gamers are tired of the hassle and instead want a plug-and-play powerhouse that's ready out of the box. So, would you spend nearly $4 grand for peace of mind and guaranteed performance? Or do you still believe DIY is the only way to go? Drop your thoughts below, and if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest gaming hardware.